Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to enable developer tabs in your Microsoft Word without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open up your MS Word and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File and then come down below right here. Go ahead and click on More, then navigate to Options. And this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to Customize Ribbon. Under the customize ribbon, next thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here and navigate to developer. Make sure this is checked and come down below right here and hit on OK. And then in a few seconds, you should be able to have your developer tab in the home screen right here, just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft Word without any stress, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.